Oh no, Bailey. Your lookout spot is gone. Mom moved the couch. Now what are you gonna do? Oh no. Maybe up here? Can you make it up here? Come here. Come up here. Oh, okay, good. We can still see outside? Yeah, that's a good spot, huh? Do you see anyone out there? I don't think there's anyone. What is it? There's James. There's our neighbor. Yeah. You trying to say hello? Once all the snow melts, we'll let you outside on the front deck, but not right now. No. You saying good morning to him? Say hi. Say hi. You saying hello? Good girl. Okay. How many times do you want to say good morning? One more? Are you going to say one more? No. Two more. Alright, I think that's good for now. Yeah? Okay.